What is up? It is like 2:37 right now, and so the reason why it's so late on this vlog is because my grandmother fell at Cracker Barrel yesterday and broke her like wrist on her right arm, and so she's fine, you know, other than, you know, she has a broken arm. But yeah, the weather's pretty nice. It did rain this morning, so I don't even know if we could have gone fishing anyways. I didn't wake up till like 10:30. I was tired. I was up editing the video last night until around 1 a.m. So yeah, I needed my rest, but yeah. Hitting this table is really easy to vibrate.
Like the rain, like the coldest rain, you wash me away when I didn't have a clue what could have caused a chain reaction so unstoppable. Yeah, I'd like to know, tell me, do you feel ashamed on how you've turned your back on me? Please tell me, why'd you go this far, and who the hell you think you?
We are back at Walmart, gonna get some sun tanning, sunscreen stuff, and then a laptop case. It has to be 15 inches, so hopefully they have it here.
Why is it tricky?
I saying it trick. Found the case, right? Put my camera in weird places at some points. Now I gotta find the sunscreen. I don't know where it's at though. It's gonna look really weird buying a computer case and some tanning sunscreen. They're gonna be like, what are you doing? We're at Home Depot now. I want to get some garden spikes for some cucumber plants. He's looking at me weird.
Alright now, never mind the love, we've missed it all. Now this place is full of dust, surrounded by the illusion of a friend, dear friend of mine. With your self-defense, tell me, do you feel ashamed of?
Alright, so getting in the garden now. We're gonna head to the Ohio River and hopefully get some MAVIC shots before the sun sets. I think it's gonna look really good. So we're at the river now. Get her door open. Can I show your arm on camera? Yeah, it's bad. Alright, well I'm about to fly my MAVIC. The sun's about to go down, so I should probably hurry up with it so I have enough light. This place is so pretty out here. So many birds kept like following my drone and they almost hit it.
Really?
Yeah, it was bad. You're on camera right now, by the way.
Yeah. Oh, I appreciate
you and
that.
your broken wrist.
How you've turned your back on me. Please tell me, why'd you go this far, and who the hell you think you are? the love, we've missed it all. Now this place is full of dust, surrounded by the illusion of a friend, dear friend of mine. Where's your self-defense? Tell me, do you feel ashamed on how you've turned your back on me? Please tell me why'd you go this far, and who the hell you think you are?
That was right there. Look at the water level.
Look at the doorknob. It was
right at the doorknob. Imagine that. And the river level so much lower right now. How much feet would you say that is? It's a lot.
Yeah, look, compared to the water, where the water is now.
Like, I'm gonna go show the drop real quick. See those stairs? How far of a drop that is. It's a long drop. There's a lot of, oh wait. So it was probably around 50 or 49. Wow. That's crazy. That's the back door. That's like right there. That's crazy. Oh, this is sketchy. It's like an angle. Should have just taken the steps. I'm coming. So that dude right there said last night the water was up to there. I mean, I can believe it because you can still see some water left over. But that, compared to that, that's like another, that's like 20 feet drop. That's crazy. It's crazy how much it rises and lowers. But I used to always come to this river and just like walk the banks and just pick up a bunch of, at that time, you know, I thought it was cool stuff, but in reality it was crap. Just not literal crap, but just, you know, junk I shouldn't be taking, that I had no use for. Smells like dead fish down here to give you a setting, you know. But other than that, it's really pretty out here. I'd make sure not to walk right there. Get as close as you can.
Don't follow in that guy's shoes.
Yeah.
Don't go backwards.
How big do you use, if you mind telling? I'm using chicken liver. Yep. You just throw it out on the bottom? Yep. Raising up real. Yeah. I caught striper last weekend too.
Really?
Yep.
Now that's a
6-pound striper.
Is that right?
Yep.
Whoa, look at this dead shell of a bug. It's like a cicada, but not a cicada. Like a baby cicada. Day 53, stuck in a tunnel. Just kidding. Oh, hopefully I don't fall getting out of here. But yeah, about to leave, so let's go back home. Mama, wanna say goodnight?
Good night.